Boop, boop. DiamanteVerde Gardens. Dios es amor. God is love. We have arrived at the medicinal gardens.
Thank you. Raise my vibration.
Para dormir. Es una planta muy
The indigenous use it for
It's Tulsi.
to like
Get in there. Breathe deep.
Con 3 veces por la mañana. Se puede, sí, y como 3 veces que lo use, pero la más tiene.
The castor oil plant. You don't eat it, you smell it or harvest the oil.
Es correcto.
Gota, it's for memory.
Oh my god.
I need that.
Cola. Mango. Did you get some?
It does?
What did you guys think of the
Ahora
cacao?
vas a probar usted este.
Cheers.
Is it sweet?
Sweet?
Yeah.
Everybody get one of these? Did everyone get a miracle fruit?
Wow.
Pacific Ocean.
Oh. We've arrived at the waterfalls. There they are. Yoga in the caves.
Inside. Different shoulder stretch. Okay, inside of the foot. Good. Walk your knees and your thighs closer to
There's a group coming up tonight and they've put out these nice mattresses and pillows and sheets. And this is where you can sleep. And wonderful earth to walk on barefoot. Tables, chairs, stumps, benches, campfire. Brian's feeding the dogs something. And this waterfall coming off. Since it's really dry season, there's not much water. And then up here is the kitchen. Going. Kitchen, sinks, all fresh water, stove, kitchen bar. Everything you need to make food. Not like we're going to be eating much. And then up there are bathroom facilities. And this place is magical and it doesn't do it justice. This little filmography doesn't do it justice.